Meaning of fratricide.
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 Fratricide. Fratricide is defined as the act of killing one's own brother or sister, or any person with whom one has a close relationship. It can also refer to a person who kills their own colleagues or comrades. Fratricidal acts often cause great emotional turmoil, not only for those directly involved but for their families and communities as well. The results of fratricide can be devastating, leading to long-lasting resentments, feelings of guilt and regret, and even psychological trauma for those affected. Such acts are considered among the most heinous forms of violence.